Best cake ingredients: 1/2 box of sweet cream Chef Hillel, minus 125 milliliters, 200 grams of dark chocolate, 2 pieces, 25 grams of butter, a pinch of salt, 1/2 peel of an orange lemon, 150 grams of nuts, cashews, pecans, almonds, etc. Preparation method: on low heat, warm the cream with the salt until just before boiling. Add the chocolate and melt it. Then add the orange and butter and mix everything with the nuts. Spread aluminum foil and then cling film on top. Place the chocolate in the shape of a sausage. Roll it up and place it in the refrigerator for an hour. Keep in the refrigerator, and before serving, roll it in cocoa.